So here's the truth. Online working is really going to blow up, and social media marketing is going to continue to grow, creating many opportunities for people like you and I to turn our social media skills into a meaningful career. So if you want to use this chance to learn and not be left behind, please watch till the end. Hello and welcome to Online Digital Income. This is a channel where we learn about ways of how to make an income from home using our phones and our laptops and earning an income to help our families. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's get right into it. This is how you can become a social media manager without a degree. You need to build a client portfolio. Learning the skills is easy, but you need to show that you can apply them. So having a portfolio that displays your capability will help you get clients and provide credibility that your client can refer to. Your clients want to work with someone knowledgeable in their business. You also know that if you're looking to hire someone, you really want to be sure that whoever is handling your business has knowledge about that. So this is a crucial part. Yes, I mentioned that you do not need a degree, but having a portfolio will sell you like a professional. So this is what you can do. You can start building your online presence, build a website detailing the services you provide, but make sure you have your own company's domain in order to build brand awareness. So if you're using like those free websites, make sure that you have your own domain, get a paid one for that. As you gain more clients, you can include their logos and add testimonials to your homepage. So this is going to draw your clients' attention. They'll see that you have done the work, you do have experience, you know what you're talking about. So the portfolio comes in very handy. If you'd like me to show you an example of a portfolio, please comment in the comment section below. Next, you need to build your own online presence. I mean, you are working with social media, so by this time, you should be on social media networks and you should be focusing on businesses, or at least have interest in businesses, marketing, and online sales. So you need to build your own online presence. At the beginning, it might seem hard with no client to offer your services because you're just starting out. So that's why I always suggest doing the job for free for like a month. Ask a friend or family who has a business and offer them your services for free. I know it sounds like, oh, I put in a lot of work, but believe me, this works. Keep that in your portfolio for future reference and as part of your experience in your field. This is how I started, and I made sure I did a good job. From that, I got so many calls. Just because you're doing the job for free, it doesn't mean that you're going to slack. This is your opportunity to show that you've got potential and to show that you're really good at this. So just make sure that you nail everything. Doing this for free is going to give you exposure, and it's going to help you to have more knowledge on what you're working for. And you can also offer your services at a lower price. So if you feel like, I cannot do this for free, it's a lot of work, I really need to get something from it, so you can offer your services at a lower price. If you being able to show potential clients the results you have driven for other companies is a powerful way to build your business quickly. This can help you get your first set of clients for your social media business. I cannot stress this enough. Do it for free for the first month. Try at least 2 people or 2 businesses. This is going to be helpful for you. Yes, it's going to be free, but it's going to give you exposure. So please take my word for it. Next thing you need to do is to create business accounts on major social platforms. At this time, you probably are on social networks or social platforms. You do have YouTube. You're watching on it right now. You've got WhatsApp, you've got Instagram, you have Pinterest, you have Twitter, you have all of those social networks. But the difference could be that they're just personal social networks. So you need to convert those and create business accounts for your social media platforms, because the companies that you're going or businesses that you're going to be working for need to be business accounts. So, as a social media manager, you will need an effective way to manage multiple accounts. So it's wise to start with yours and get the hang of it. Make mistake with yours and learn from them. By this time you start handling other people's accounts, you already know the do's and don'ts. So this is very important. Take your time, create accounts, know the good things, the bad things, what you need to know, and how you can handle other people's social networks or social platforms better in a business way. So creating these social media accounts is easy. You just type the name on Google, you select create an account. From there, you follow the instructions. But if you're a newbie and you would like a visual step-by-step tutorial on how to create business social media accounts, please comment with yes. Now, how do you get these jobs? Would you rather have your own company, or do you want to freelance, or would you like to apply for one? It really depends, but you can become a social media manager by freelancing or working independently or working for a company. So if you do not want to work with a single company or start your own agency, you can work as a social media freelancer. As a freelancer, you can find clients and choose the services that interest you and best suit your talents and skills. Make sure that you choose a niche that really interests you. Being a social media manager really takes a lot of time. You put on a lot of hours. So if it's something that bores you, you're not going to do a good job. So make sure that it's something that really, really interests you. It suits your talents and skills. As a freelancer, you have a lot of flexibility as you can set your own schedule and work from anywhere. The downside, though, is that you will need to consistently find and win clients to ensure regular flow and revenue. Unlike if you're working at a company, you definitely know that there's salespeople doing that for you. So the important thing here is pitching. Pitching plays a big part in this. If you didn't nail it in your pitch, you're not going to get clients. So you need to know how to reach out to potential clients. Make sure you make a convincing pitch. If you need an example of a good pitch, please comment pitch in the comment section below. Now, here are freelance platforms to use to get clients or to start as a social media manager. You go on Google, you type in these platform names, you learn about them and sign in with the one that best interests you. Now, the mistake that other people do is just that they just go on these platforms and just sign in without even learning about what the platform does and how it can help you. So please don't be lazy. Go and Google, do your research, and make sure that what you sign in for is what you can do and your expectations are not too high or too low. So here we've got the popular ones, which is Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour. So here we are. These are the ways on how you can become a social media manager. This is just for beginners and this is part 1. Please stay tuned for part 2 where we're going to go into detail and I'll be helping you with how you can get your clients, how you can make your pitch, and how you can set up your social media platforms for businesses. So thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with friends that you know might need this and would be helpful to them. And remember, the day you plant the seed is definitely not the day you eat the fruit. So please be patient.